Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so excited you're here because my husband Allan and I are getting ready to take a trip to San Antonio, Texas, and I thought we would take you along. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. We're going to get the car loaded so we can leave first thing in the morning. We have our luggage and we made our son some homemade beef jerky here in this bag. I have some little gifts up there to take to him. We have some water bottles and I have some food for some recipes that I'm going to be putting together while we're visiting. And just like that, we're all ready to go. It is early in the morning and we are ready to head out on our trip. We're super excited and we're so glad you're going to come along. It's really windy.
It's very windy.
After 10 hours, we finally made it to our son's house. We are so glad to be here. It is so nice to see him. Our son just got home from work. Hi, Mitchell. We could hear him coming all the way down the street.
Oh, heck yeah. Chicken shawarma.
This is my fiance and the love of my life, Nicholas Parker.
Allan and I are heading home from San Antonio, Texas. We had such a wonderful time and we were so happy and grateful we were able to take this trip. It was so nice to see our son and spend time with him and his girlfriend. As you can see, we are in a terrible dust storm. It is so windy and dusty, we can hardly even see very far. The weather was so nice when we were in Texas, and now we've come home to a terrible dust storm. It is so dusty and windy. We had a national weather alert because of the terrible wind and blowing dust. We are so glad to be home and be inside of our house and out of this terrible dust storm. It's going to be a lot of work to clean up after this big storm. We had a really great time, and I'm really glad you came along for it. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.